Here we are in the middle of a pandemic, and all we're trying to do is stay active, keep our stress levels down, and spend some time outdoors with our family. All of a sudden, you start to exercise, and that creak in the knee gets a little worse and a little more worse, and it kind of prevents you from doing the things you love to do. Well, I'm Dr. Brian McKay at Core Health Darien, and I want to tell you about the knee on track solution. It's a special machine that decompresses the knee joint, allowing for greater production of synovial fluid, restoring mobility, and more importantly, eliminating your pain. Listen, if you're happy with the results you're getting using Advil or Aleve or cortisone shots, orthotics, then you don't need to watch this. But let me tell you something. This treatment is for those people who are active, want to stay active, and really restore integrity to the knee joint. And it's done by using the knee on track solution. Hey, I'm Dr. Brian McKay at Core Health Darien. You got knee pain. The knee on track machine right here is a way to help reproduce the cartilage that we lose inside the joint and meniscus areas. It's done with traction. It helps produce more synovial fluid, which we make less of as we get older. Here we're strapping in our patient, tightening up, ready to set the tension here. And this treatment lasts about 5 minutes. This is to lock the machine knee in place. We set, and here we go. So for about 5 minutes we have a gentle traction motion that will stimulate production of synovial fluid. A lot of times people are going out for these rooster cartilage injections or Hyligan synthetic hyaluronic acid. This produces our own synovial fluid a lot more effectively than the synthetic stuff that's out there. The synthetic stuff can be rejected. You have also pain at the injection site. And quite honestly, they don't really last that long. Are you looking to add more years of life to your knees, hopefully avoiding knee replacement? Well, this treatment is your first step to getting out of knee pain, staying active, and basically avoiding knee surgery or even knee replacement. I can tell you all day long how great this machine is, but more importantly, why don't you listen to somebody else? Because this guy was very skeptical before he started. Wasn't the easiest guy to have.
I've had pain for several years. I used to get the Synvisc shots. Everybody said that was great. That didn't work. I used to be a tremendous athlete. I played football, hockey, ran, worked out a lot. I had gained some weight and nothing was working. So I came here several weeks ago. I've been doing this service now probably 6 or 7 times. Immediately I felt instantaneous relief. And on my first day I was able to walk much better. This is a tremendous, tremendous thing. I recommend it to everybody.
So you want to stay active, you don't want to have knee pain. Well, I have a very special offer for you. We're going to let you come in, take a sample session on the knee on track machine for $47. You're also going to get a thorough knee evaluation that goes along with it. I'm Dr. Brian McKay at Core Health Darien. We have been treating knees successfully for quite some time now, and there are a number of happy patients. We want to see you join that list of happy patients. Click the link below and set up your appointment now.
Thanks for watching. I hope that you have learned some valuable information. I want to share with you a very special offer from Dr. McKay. It is really simple. All you need to do is click the special offer tab. You will go to our homepage and you will see me pop up with all of the details. I'm certain you're going to like what you hear. So click the special offer tab and look for me on the homepage. You'll be glad you did. Thanks.